A wise old saying is, onions make happy. Indeed, onions supply serotonin, the so-called happy hormone. Serotonin is not a hormone but a neurotransmitter. Neurotransmitter are messengers in the brain, spinal cord and nerves. One is acetylcholine, important for learning and memory. A lack of it results in Alzheimer's disease. If there is too much, neurons can be destroyed. Glutamate is important for sensory reception. It is anxiolytic. A lack of it results in Alzheimer's disease. Dopamine controls motion. A lack of it is typical for Parkinson's disease, but also for dejection. Too much of it causes psychosis, like schizophrenia or bipolar disorder, formerly called manic depressive psychosis. Noradrenaline is important for alertness. A lack results in attention deficiency. In our context, it is important that much more serotonin and dopamine results in well-being, while a lack causes depression. Dopamine, as well as serotonin, are degraded by MAO, monoamino oxidase. MAO can be inhibited by flavonoids from mugwort and myristic acid from mugmet. Dopamine and serotonin are not reduced. Cinnamon aldehyde from cinnamon promotes synthesis of dopamine and prevents Parkinson's disease. Biborneol from coriander, the degradation of GABA can be inhibited. By reuptake of serotonin, the available quantity is reduced. Sinigrin and synalbin from onions inhibit the loss. In addition, onions supply with serotonin itself. Serotonin is degraded by enzymes indolamine 2,3 deoxygenase and quinuric monooxygenase into chylonic acid. The product contains all necessary parts as quantum dots. It had been used in 14 patients with low or mean depressions. In all cases, depression could be reduced in 6 weeks' time from 19.2 to 9.5 on the HAMD scale. The product is completed by a phase transfer catalyst that promotes oxygen transport into the cell. See phase transfer catalysts on YouTube. This is performed by a compound of 4 glucuronanes from alginic acid with bivalent iron as a central atom. It is a similar structure like the active center of chlorophyll and hemoglobin. Thereby, 2 defective electrons meet 4 electrons from ligands. Oxygen, being dissolved in blood, has a wrap of water molecules. It is released under energy consumption before being transported through the cell wall. On the other side of the cell, this energy is set free as hydration energy, a typical catalyst. In sportsmen, after only 20 minutes, respiratory quotient improved sometimes more than 60%. A big part of migraines is due to a lack of oxygen in brain. By using the product, migraine attacks could be reduced significantly.